Junior, sorry my cheeks are red. Cheeks are red. Face cheeks. So yeah, I came in from inside. I'm gonna show you from the title. It's slushy. So first you're gonna need a bowl, wash, but then dry it out. Mine's not dried out. I don't know why I didn't dry it. Then you're gonna need a spoon. You're gonna need your favorite juice. It's not my favorite. Apple Harvest. So this is not my favorite, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go get something outside where we're having a blizzard right now. Tuesday for the 13th, I think. 14th. 14th. I don't know. Let me go get something outside. Not on my hand. So I got it. My hand's freezing, but it's snow. So and hold on. Trying to do this with one hand. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, but hold on. I could actually work. Okay, so you're gonna take this and just put a juice in there. Nothing even happened. Tap to change the color. Okay, you just gonna put a little bit in there. So now you're gonna mix it just a little bit. Okay. Not bad. Make sure you get the right color snow. It's white. Okay? Don't get the yellow. Don't get the brown. Don't get green. Get the white. That's good. That's really good. Try this. Just say. Just don't get the wrong colors. No. Subscribe to Flipfilm's channel and subscribe to Exploding Creepers channel. Exploding Creepers with the X. Capital. Oh god. Oh god. Very, very my tongue, right? Cold. 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 Oh, 1 minute. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and I almost finished the snow. It's good. Okay, so I got my phone right here. Hold on. One minute. This is me and my favorite game. Me and my friend's favorite game. Spider. So this is what you have to do in this. I'm doing this backwards. I can't even see it. I'm just looking. Spider. I'm not sure if you can see that. But the